Hi guys, so today I'm playing with slime and I have my little cousin, my little cousin. I call her like that because I'm 9, she's 8. She's like almost like my age. So we're going to make some slime. So what we're gonna use would be washable clear glue. And I'm just gonna tell you that because my cousin's gonna get other things and then she'll be right back. So first of all, I want to show you my biggest slime. My biggest slime. So this is blueberry, and let me show you guys. So it's this one, like this one. It's like blueberry and like a little darker, but it has some this. But yeah, so this is my cousin. This one.
By the way, this is my video.
Yeah, it's her video, so I just started it. Okay, so I was saying
the borax in here.
we have the glue.
You get my leg.
What?
Look at her
Where are you
tattoo.
going?
Look at let her see your tattoo. It's so cute.
I really like this one. You have the two? You have the two?
You can see or you blind.
Okay. So is this?
How come my mom knows your business, bro?
Yeah, don't touch it. Do not touch it. Do not
Okay, who's gonna go first? So we're gonna do it blindfolded.
folded. So we're gonna do rubber scissors, and oh yeah, we're going to do this. So we have a bowl. Well, actually, I had this inside there. A spatula and some
Annie,
borax.
how do you move this down?
It just stays like.
Anything.
So we're gonna do rubber scissors. Who's gonna go first? Do you have a food coloring?
I don't have food coloring today.
Okay, so I think we can do
Clear
pink
slime.
I never had clear slime.
Me
so.
either.
Then
It's I only have a clear slime only with blue.
We're gonna put it right there. There's glue.
There's rock, paper, and scissors.
Hit 3 times.
Rock,
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
So who go? You, right?
You go.
No, me?
Yeah.
No, you, cause you won.
Can't believe it.
You better not look under it.
Okay. I cannot see nothing.
Uh-huh.
And we're gonna try if we can see, because if she has 4, I'm gonna say 4, but she's not gonna say no word. So yeah. Ow, my hair.
Ow, my face!
Okay.
Stop
good.
yelling at me.
Okay. You need to put a finger up.
How many fingers do I have?
1.
Nope.
So what is it?
It was 4.
Oh.
By the way. Okay, I'm gonna mix the stuff. You can see, huh?
No.
Mama,
Do I have slime?
Mama,
Oh yeah.
Joanna.
Okay, you're done.
So there's a bowl. Where's the glue? Oh, what was that?
Nothing white.
Got
It
glue.
was just a little part. No, put that one. No, don't buy it.
Vete para allá.
Because you have to put everything email and all that stuff.
Ven, vete a limpiar.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Where is the activator? Here's the activator.
Are you guys doing a video?
Yeah. Right there.
Recordándote, yeah, ya yo me cansé de tu mentira. Ahora hay una más dura te y esa boca las gatas son de 3 en 3. Si tú quieres preguntar si no me crees, que yo no tengo estrés. Pa' completar la fila son las 3. Que todo el mundo se te fue yo con ella en RG. Que me enamoré el día que la probé. Que yo no creo que
You spilled some.
este servicio te lo cancelé.
Okay, that's enough.
El problema va a tocar el fondo. Mami respira hondo mientras te lo escondo. Te lo obligo, yo me pongo
Hey, you can't look. You can't look like that. Look at the side.
Yo sé que con el tiempo la herida se cura. Es que en verdad que tú no estás activa.
That's my sister, by the way, right
Por
here.
que perdimos segura.
Done? No, it's not done. Want me to mix it for you? Yeah. But you're not gonna take it back. Wait. You can't peek. No.
El carajo te busqué. Yo sin ti me siento bien. Ya no sufro por amor y ahora rompo corazón y sobran las pacas de 100. Tú me rompiste el corazón. Sin sentido y sin razón. Pero tengo un culo nuevo que me da mucho cariño y me chinga bien cabrón. No te lo voy a negar que te sufrí, la pasé mal. Pero te superé y de mi vida te boté. Y te di onda y te solté.
This is my
De
side.
ti no quiero saber. Y pa'l carajo te mandé. Hoy me voy a beber.
Ozuna, de mi vida te boté. Y yo sé que no eres cualquiera. Me pasaré la vida entera preguntando a dónde fue.
Is done?
Amiga,
My blindfold is falling.
me desea.
Yeah, wait, don't take it out. I don't care.
Conmigo y me dice pa' que tú la veas. Prendo pa' ver si me olvido de tu nombre, tu beso, tu cuerpo, tu gemido. Lo hacíamos en el carro, me gritaba en el oído. Cierro los ojos y pienso que todo lo que hicimos, baby. Prendo pa' ver si me olvido de tu nombre,
Is
tu
it done?
beso, tu
No,
cuerpo,
I
tu
told
gemido.
them.
Lo hacíamos en el carro, me
It's
gritaba en el
pumping up
oído.
a
Cierro
little
los
bit.
ojos y pienso que todo lo que hicimos, amigo.
Te di confianza y me fallaste. Me burlaste de mí y me humillaste. Lejos de aquí te fuiste y ni explicaste. Invité a mi película y viraste. Ahora quieres saber lo que pienso de ti. Me siento cabrón porque no estás aquí. Así como viniste tú te puedes ir. No te voy a
My blindfold
te
is
sufrí
falling.
la paso mal, pero me superé y de mi vida te boté. Y te boté, te di onda y te solté. Yo te solté, pa'l carajo te mandé. Yo te mandé y de mi vida te saqué. Yo te saqué, bye, yo te
¿Es muy
boté.
simple?
Miento si digo que no me hace falta por no
It was just water. I think this is almost done. It's just clumping up. It takes forever. Where is the camera? You can't touch it for 2 days. What? You can't touch the clear sign for 2 days because
Why?
you want it to clear up,
Yeah.
so you have to wait for 2 days.
And then the third day, I can't feel it.
This one is done, by the way. So you can take your blindfold off, which I saw your eye on the camera.
Well, I look so weird.
It's a little sticky, but
I was like,
I have it a little more of that.
a special. Is it
You
done?
need a lot.
Did you say you're a Chris? It almost stick.
This is clear, look, a little bit.
Ooh.
I had it in a very, very clear sign, but then I don't even know where it went. So now. Okay, I don't know if to you is sticky, but to me it's not that much.
Nope, it's not sticky to me either.
Are you sure? Here.
Yeah.
It is or it's not?
No.
You're a sneezer, by the way. You a sneezer.
This is my slime.
Yeah, that's
Wait, we're gonna show it later.
like that.
We're going to show it later so you can see what it is.
Okay, now it's my turn. Move out of the way. This is my turn now.
Okay. Pull.
Now maybe like about that. You want glitter in it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No. Right now.
Yes?
No. Right now, but no, not today. I'm so sneezy.
Don't even touch my scarf with your slimy hand.
touch it. Okay, I'm sneezing right now. Stop. Like, stop.
Who?
Johnny is sneezing with me. Sorry.
You're sorry.
Sorry, guys.
Are you tired of me?
Yeah.
Okay, this I can't really see. Okay, I can't even see the bottom. By the way, like,
Okay, you better be sure.
Yes, I'm sure.
Look at see. Look how I grabbed you with my slime. It's not your mom. You got it.
Okay, I'm done. Now mix the stuff.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now.
Okay, how many fingers I'm holding?
1.
3.
Okay, now switch it.
I'm gonna start with the spatula. Okay.
I heard it's slime.
No. You can't do that. Okay, first I'm gonna do with this one. Ow, my eye hurts. The next one I'm gonna put the bowl. Fudge.
Ouch. My eye hurts.
And I dare touch it. Now.
I did not touch it.
Oh yeah. Now we're gonna put the activators.
Is this your slime right here?
Now I'm going to put the glue. Is this your slime right here?
Yeah.
My eye hurts. So wait, I'm gonna look away. You better. Okay, it's done now. How many fingers are holding?
What?
How many fingers are holding?
5.
Yes.
What?
It was.
You're lying.
Okay, how many fingers I'm holding?
2.
Yep.
You're lying.
But actually, I'm just kidding. You know, you got it right. Okay.
Can I
go.
start now? Okay, I found the bowl. I found a spatula.
Cute.
I found like, no, this is the borax.
No.
I did not look. I closed it before looking.
Okay. We're gonna repeat it, you know.
Okay, I found the glue. Maybe it's more. Okay. Found it. Like glue. I cannot see. Look under. Watch. I can't even see.
I can see closely. Okay, good. I'm gonna tell you when it's enough. Enough! Enough, bro.
What?
It's enough because it's almost gonna finish. Go.
spatula. Can I do it? Can you? Are you looking? Ah.
Do not show them. You need to show it at the end.
Maybe ready yet though.
Okay, fine. Like you show them, I'm gonna show them now. What? Oh no! My son went to the activator. Oh, I'm gonna lose it.
No, it's just supposed to.
Yeah. Here, turn it
Ew.
What? You said SMP on balls.
We haven't seen them.
This is my slime. Is it clear? Okay, go.
I saw him, but then I got scared.
That's hello. That's the last one. Okay.
Okay, but I heard, can I take this off and still make it?
Okay.
Because I can't even handle it.
Oopsie. I was using it and then it come all the way to here.
And I put a little activator in yours and then it got together.
Again, wagon. And after this, we're going to do a shaving cream.
You bought shaving cream?
No.
You.
You from your dad.
Dude, you have shaving cream. Let's have shaving cream, by the way.
Vamos a usar tu shaving cream.
See, Jose?
No.
She.
Compran a la tienda menos dinero.
Sí, pero no me dejan ir a la tienda sola.
Ve con ella.
Yeah.
Ve con ella.
Yeah.
Sí, pero no quería decir que no.
Órale.
O si tú no drive and then stop
Dile a tu mamá que
and
tenga que quiere.
go.
Dijo que sí, mira. Yo le pregunté ahorita. Wait, did you put?
That's how much I need to put, okay? That's how much I put in yours.
We can't put no salt because it's not gonna fit in that.
This is my number.
No, I know, but it's not. You know that I'm gonna use that for. This is my container.
I know. I'm dumb.
Then what should we do next for this time?
I don't know.
Who's going?
How much do I put?
What do you use? What kind of ¿Me puedes hacer un huevo? José, ¿me puedes hacer un huevo?
Entonces, ¿cómo te gusta? ¿Cómo te gusta?
Revuelvo o normal.
What?
Revuelvo o normal.
Bueno.
Normal.
Normal. Normal, por favor. Normal.
See it coming together when I put.
José, ¿no te acuerdas cuando nos hicieron pancakes? ¿Te acuerdas? En campar. En camping. Ah, eso sí me gusta. Esos huevos.
Revuelto.
Ajá.
Nasty, revuelto.
No nasty. No nasty.
He's nice. You know, last time he drank a little bit of pee. And he said he liked it. ¿Verdad, José, de tomates pipi? Sí, nomás que tú no te acuerdas. Even Licha says he wants me to drink a pee, but he thinks it's apple juice, but it's pee. He pees in a water
Estaba
bottle
jugando
sometimes.
contigo.
Cuando duran en el baño.
Oh, yeah. One time I did, too. We went to play to somewhere, and then after
Somewhere
that...
far, huh?
Yeah, somewhere far. And then after that, I wanted to pee so bad, and me hice de dos.
¿Es de rebote también? ¿Te
Yeah.
cayó un rebote adentro?
Yes. It was not a boat, it was a big thing. Something, I forgot what it is. But it makes
I'm
it.
not done yet. I'm going with my hands already.
And then after this, so she's going to give me a container, and because I just have two. So and then after that, we're going to use all of this.
Which is gonna be for me. Cause look, you have another huge slime. And I don't have huge slime.
Well, we can put that because you can go like this. So like that.
Really?
Yeah.
You have more slime than me.
You know how I did that? Mixing all my slimes.
Uh-huh.
I actually did. But since I
You don't really have clear slime. Try to add glue when it's done.
Okay. Do not add too much. Okay, now me.
Jose, yo quiero huevo normal.
Ay, tú no comes. No más dice.
No,
Dile como no tomamos esto.
you're mean. You're mean too. Your dad is mean right there.
It's sticky.
I know.
Come on.
Okay, I added a little bit too much.
Can you help me? Okay.
You put your slime in there. It was
La
ugly.
tuya. Aquí pues. ¿Quieres ketchup?
That's a lot. By the way, there's the activator in the table. Get your slime out! Hurry!
Y si quieres ketchup, te vas a caer ahí para atrás. ¿Quieres ketchup o no?
Mine is a little bit clear.
¿Quieres ketchup?
Look, guys.
Mine is a little bit clear too.
Te vas a caer para atrás.
Like almost.
No le des.
He's stupid. He makes
Valeria, ¿cuántos quieres?
Uno.
Tres. I need to eat them all. Put three of them.
Okay, in the next video, we're going to do an egg and 3 eggs, and I need to eat all of it without water or juice or soda.
Only at last.
At last. Oh, this one we're gonna have a timer for me. It's gonna be like
5 minutes.
no 3 minutes.
No, 2. No, 4. You said 3 first, so 3. Look, mine is a little clear.
I want to see mine.
It's a little white. It's clear too. Look, guys, look at mine. Look. So you're gonna sleep over one day?
Yep.
Okay.
So we're gonna save this much glue because tomorrow we're gonna do glue. And guys, I'm gonna go right now. Wait a second.
You have to watch the video, right?
I know. What? How about I'm not gonna tell you after this? So when she sleeps, I'm gonna do something to her I never did.
Oh. You're gonna color my face.
Nope, is another.
I'm gonna prank you too.
Okay, let's see. In the morning, like I'm gonna stay awake, and
You
then
can't stay awake.
Yes, I can. One time, when I was like 7 or 8, I cried with you. I cried.
You were crying in the night?
I cried at night, and then I could not stop crying until 1 in the morning.
Evelyn quiere arroz, dice.
No es cierto.
Tiene hambre.
Yo no quiero arroz.
Quiere un filete.
No es cierto.
Sí,
Filete de
filete.
pescado.
Yeah, filete.
No es cierto.
Ya dijiste.
Yo dije huevo, no
Mira, ¿a
filete.
qué le pusiste esto?
Si tú lo poniste.
Ya no sé qué papá.
Tú lo puriste, yo no.
Chile, gracias.
Oh.
Don't do that.
What?
Maybe one of these days we're gonna practice a song and sing it to you guys.
Yeah. Well, I don't really know.
Or tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. But tomorrow I'm gonna pay somebody. So I'm gonna grab her phone, and after that I'm going to prank her. Por huevos, I'm just kidding. Chulada. Okay.
I'm
So-
lost and
So,
I'm falling.
so bye
¿Quieres un
guys.
filete? ¿Eh?
Bye. So bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.
¿Sí?
I hope.
Y si quieres
¿Qué?
filete de pescado.
No. Okay, so I hope you subscribe.
Mira, mira, síguete pasando, si no te va a llegar el rojo. El domingo vas a ir con Luis. Con Luis y América.
Sí, voy.
Yo quiero yo.
Mi mamá me va a llevar.
Les dices que te compres la tarjeta. Y luego también te está bien.
Yo no tengo dinero.
¿Eh?
Sí, porque tú no me quieres hacer el huevo.
Y si no te lo comes, te voy a regañar.
Nomás
Okay,
quiero uno.
No, yo te voy a hacer 3.
Sí. We can switch. You know.
I don't want them now.
Te voy a hacer cuy.
No.
Come, Valeria, pues. Deja de estar ahí.
Okay, so okay, so
¿Quieres tortillas?
no.
Like, subscribe, and share.
¿Quieres
And
una
leave a
cuchara?
comment. If
Yeah.
you guys enjoyed it, just put I
Una
subscribe.
spoon.
That's all.
Está bien, ya.
Spoon.
Okay, bye. Bye.